Hey everybody, it's Mindy. I know I've said many times that I will never do a stash video. Well, part of the reason why I will never do a stash video is the fact that my stash is such a hot mess that it would be extremely difficult. So anyhow, you're in my spare bedroom slash diamond painting storage room, and not everything is in here. There's some more paintings downstairs as well, but this is where the majority of them are. And I'm going to do some organizing. I got to do some organizing. I'm somewhat organized, and other ways I'm totally unorganized. I'm going to go through this room and I'm going to kind of show you the things I have, and you're going to be with me while I organize, you know? Like I said, if we ever had guests, they couldn't stay here. I mean, I suppose I could clear this bed off in, a little while, but it's not appealing for guests at all. I'm going to do a quick run through of this room right now and just kind of show you what's in here currently, and then we're going to kind of work on it. So, I mean, there's literally stuff everywhere. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze beside the bed here first of all, and we'll start back here in the most difficult corner to get to of all and see if we can get down here. Yep, we have diamond painting stuff behind the bed. Diamond art clubs, Cotarts. That's from Catherine. Can't remember the name of her channel right now. Had that forever. And we got some things here. We've got a Craftably here. And behind me, see if I can even get turned around here. This is frames. This is actually 2 frames here. They're gold. I thought I could use these for something cool. Yes, I have frames in here. Here's some completed diamond paintings. These are ones I think I'm keeping just because I really liked them. Yeah, I'm keeping those. There's a couple of diamond dots. And then over here is a little stack of completed paintings. Sorry, I'm trying to squeeze through here. These are completed, probably going into a sale whenever I can get to a sale, except for that one right there. That's for my school whenever I can get it to them. I'm going to pull all of the completed out, and I'll show you like my gallery of completed work at this point. Here's things that are waiting to be framed. Most of it is framing. Frame. I mean, it's just a mess. But then under here, we also have some paintings that are not finished. They're just laying here because well, some of them are large, and I didn't have any place to put them. There's another completed painting. Large paintings that have no place to go, really. Yeah, okay. Here's Victoria's Moon that I'm working on. It's coming out fabulous. Here's some paintings here. That's actually a paint by number. Oh, look, there's my cute owl. I like him. I still like him. And just, see, I have things, just things. Eyeglass cases, lights, little things. These are things I don't intend to keep most of these things. I'd like to put them in this sale if I can ever get to the sale. Here's some more things here that need to be framed, right? And then, oh goodness, God only knows what happens here, right? Another eyeglass case. This is a little thing from Craftably. Notebook. These are just, there's stuff everywhere. See, it's everywhere. And then here's my stack of paintings I've left here on top of this box, thinking these are things I'm going to get to pretty soon, things I want to work on relatively quickly. This whole box is filled with diamond paintings. I mean, it's filled with diamond paintings. Over here, we've got some things in boxes. We've got this. We've got bookmarks. There's just all kinds of stuff there. A light back there. See, it's just everywhere. It's a hot mess. Hot mess. Notebooks I've completed. Things like that. Yeah. Here's my frame collection for framing things. I got a couple new ones, actually. This is also, my closet. My extra closet, because all my clothes don't fit in the master bedroom, of course. So we also have, vacuums and all that kind of stuff. And my clothes you don't care about, right? But then, okay, right now, this is where All Dogs Go to Heaven is living. Yep, it's finished and it's ready for a frame. But I have to be able to get to Michael's because I want this one custom framed. It's just one of those. It's going to be special. And then we have a selection of Diamond Art clubs in here. And that's Dreamer Designs. Oh, wait a minute. Hang on. Yeah. Move the vacuum cleaner. I think we got a few more over here. Yeah. See what I mean? They're everywhere. You guys are in the inner sanctum of my holy mess. My holy mess, right? And I think that's it. No, no, no. No, no. That's not it. No, that's not it, guys. We got to get down on the floor for this one. See those two boxes? Yep, diamond paintings. They're fairly organized. See this? Crafting things. Some diamond paintings. Wait. There's some over there too. Right? Oh, you guys. What am I going to do with this hot mess? I'm going to try to organize it, right? Yeah, try to organize it. Is there anything else hiding under here? Oh, yeah. Wizardy Arts under there. Oh, yeah, there's more. Sorry, see, there's more. And there's more under here. It's a hot mess. I've got to do something with all this. So, in my attempt to organize, make some sense of all of this, I'll show you stuff. When I get into the boxes, the way I store things is probably not, it's not the best, but it's not the worst. Like, all of my paintings are in here with their drills. The drills are in here. So it's like paintings are layered and drills are on top for, 4 or 5 paintings. It's working for me. They're all together. I know other people take them all apart, store their canvases one place and their drills another place, but I don't know. This is what I have to deal with, you guys. So, come along on this weird journey of mine to try to make some sense of all of this and get it organized in some way. The paintings in the boxes are, but look at all the rest of it. Hot mess, right? Okay. Well, stay tuned. I think the first thing I'm going to do is pull out the completed paintings and show you everything that's completed, framed, stuff I haven't shown you yet. You may have seen them, but, I kind of do my gallery walk, and you haven't seen these yet. So, anyhow, this is what we're going to do, guys. Wish me luck. It's going to take some time. All right. I'll talk to you soon, okay, when I figure out how I'm going to do all this.